Number 15 of 15 in the epic editions of the Hot Wheels Monster Jam series comes the 2018 new look of Overkill Evolution. And yes, this truck came out twice this year. It was in case H, and now this one is in case J. On the back of the box, it comes with the recrushable car, the trucks, Hot Wheels, Epic Editions, Cyborg Shock, Creatures, Spider-Man, Tour Favorites, Iron Man, Tour Favorites, Captain America, Tour Favorites, Overkill Evolution and Epic Editions, and NEA Police and Tour Favorites. So let's go ahead and unbox this version of Overkill Evolution. I got 4 of these trucks at Target, and the last one that I did with Soldier Fortune Black Ops, that was also in the same day as I got this Overkill Evolution. So here he comes into the arena, and let me get this out of the way. Here is the new look Overkill Evolution. Now some of the different things going on. I'm having trouble with him keeping on the truck there, on the crushable car there. Now some of the graphics that have changed from the last Overkill Evolution that I did was the Monster Jam logo is now placed here. There was another logo here beforehand, and I'm gonna do a swap here. As you can see, I'm not sure what that was. To me it looks like owl's eyes, but I know it's probably not. But right there you can see it says 1UP Off-Road, and now they have 1UP Off-Road still up above, but it's a little bit over, a little bit smaller also, and that thing, the I call it the owl eyes, is very small. But then over here they moved the Hot Wheels logo over here to the left. It was up here, up above, right there. And then some of the designs of the flames, I'm just gonna call them the blue flames. A lot more of the blue flames coming into the gray area than the one before. See, there was not so much. There was more of the gray area in this version of Overkill Evolution in H. And now coming back to number J, this new one. I know I'm flipping back a lot, but just so you can see, here down below, a lot more of the sponsors for Overkill Evolution, as well as the alien head. The alien head to me is a little bit smaller, but his eyes are a little bit different also, and they have kind of that reddish glow to them as before. This guy over here, this alien look, has like a kind of a big head and not so big of eyes to see it. Now we're gonna go around and to the front of the truck. You can see very clearly the difference between the two on the truck with the flame job and the alien head. How the alien eyes are really glowing more than the one on the left hand side, where they're so small and I can barely see them. But they made a difference to them. And also the alien head is bigger, and that white spot on the alien head is placed a little bit differently also on the newer truck. So There we go. Now on top of the truck is pretty much the same. It has a Smile More. So that doesn't change anything on top of the truck. And so when you flip it around to the other side of the truck, this is the older version. I mean, this is the older version in the front. And then the new version. Here we go with the new version. So you can see the difference also, since pretty much that's how it goes. That all the sides are supposed to be the same on the Monster Jam truck. Now back here is very cool. They had this. Now on the new truck, they have the Monster Jam World Finals 2015 Freestyle Champion. In fact, I'll show you that right there. That's very cool to have on the truck. Back here was just a sponsor. So the wheels are still the same, like purple. So that does it for the Overkill Evolution new look from Case J. So hopefully you'll be able to find this one in the stores.